What's up guys? Today we're going to take a look at the 5 best GoPro cameras on the market for this year. We're going to show you our 5 best picks, and we'll talk about whether or not you should buy them. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started. Number 1. GoPro Hero 7 Black. The GoPro Hero 7 Black remains a commendable action camera, offering a compelling combination of performance and affordability despite being several generations old. While lacking the latest features introduced in newer models, it stands out as an excellent option for users seeking a budget-friendly yet capable device. The Hero 7 Black's 4K footage retains impressive quality, and its hyper-smooth video image stabilization technology ensures smooth and steady footage. With features like 10-meter waterproofing, a 2-inch touchscreen, voice control, and re-output, it continues to deliver versatile functionality. Although it may lack the cutting-edge capabilities of more recent GoPro releases, its solid performance, durability, and attractive pricing make it a worthwhile consideration, particularly for those looking for a reliable action camera without breaking the bank. Number 2. GoPro Hero 12 Black. The GoPro Hero 12 Black stands out as a robust, versatile, and ultra-wide action camera, offering impressive stabilization and a wealth of features. Notable enhancements include external and dual-channel audio tools, as well as the addition of 10-bit log capture and time-coded footage, catering to the needs of filmmakers. Equipped with a 27MP8/7 sensor, the Hero 12 Black can capture footage in various aspect ratios, facilitating seamless sharing on social media platforms. Its video capabilities extend to 3K at 60 fps, 4K at 120 fps, and 2K at 240 fps for creative flexibility. However, it faces challenges in low-light conditions, where its performance may not match some competitors, such as the DJI Osmo Action 4. Number 3. GoPro Hero 11 Black. The Hero 11 Black introduces a new sensor primarily to enhance versatility rather than significantly improve image quality. With its almost square 8:7 aspect ratio, the camera enables exporting videos in various formats without compromising quality, making it well-suited for platforms like TikTok and Instagram. A standout feature of the Hero 11 Black is its support for 10-bit video, marking a noteworthy advancement for GoPro. This capability, commonly found in top-tier video cameras, allows for a greater number of color gradations compared to the previous 8-bit standard. While the Hero 11 Black may not represent a dramatic leap from its predecessor, it retains its status as one of the most feature-packed and user-friendly action cameras available. Number 4. GoPro Max. The GoPro Max employs two 180-degree fisheye lenses, allowing it to capture a comprehensive view of its surroundings. What sets the Max apart is its automatic stitching of these two hemispherical video files, streamlining the editing process significantly. The GoPro smartphone app complements this by providing tools for seamless editing and publishing of spherical media directly from a mobile device. This innovative shooting process enhances the creative possibilities for media professionals, particularly in the realm of action cameras. By automating the stitching process, the Max liberates users from concerns about framing shots perfectly, enabling a focus on the actual content creation. The Max isn't just about visuals, it also boasts decent 16 feet, 5 meters, water resistance, retractable mounting fingers for easy installation, and compatibility with GoPro's extensive range of mounting solutions. Number 5. GoPro Hero 10 Black. The GoPro Hero 10 Black, while not a radical departure from the Hero 9, represents a significant refinement, making it the most versatile action camera in the lineup. Powered by the new GP2 processor, the Hero 10 Black stands out as the most potent GoPro to date, enhancing overall performance. Although the camera retains the same 23MP/3-inch sensor and 10-meter waterproofing as its predecessor, notable improvements include new shooting modes. These include 5K/60p, 4K/120p. Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video. If you liked this video and it helped in any way, please give this video a like, and if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel. I hope to see you in the next video. Till next time, see you guys.